Hello guys, what is up? So today I'm going to have my boyfriend do my voiceover for my makeup session. And alright, here we go. So we're going to start with the primer, and so just keep the makeup on the face, steady. And the next thing I'm applying is the foundation. God, I'm so pretty. Jeez. Oh yeah. So we're going to just spread it all out, and then we blend it all out. Make sure it's all even around the face, and then we apply some powder below the eyes, and beside the mouth and on the forehead. I'm running wide open. Okay. And then we do the brows like Rihanna does it. Okay. I see you. You see me. Let's get it. Interesting. Okay, that looks good. And it's all filled out uneven. And okay. And then we apply some powder and we spread it all out some more. Make sure we still look good. And then we do the contour. Yeah, I know that's the contour. That's what contour is. Yep. And then we do the nose contour, to bring out the nose, to make it a bit disappointing. And then I'm running wide open. I was born with my feet in motion, but since I met you, I know I could be happy anywhere with you. Okay, wait, right back. And so we just, spread it out some more, do some little fixing here and there, do the forehead, and here we go. Looking good. Oh my god. Oh, now we're applying the eyeshadow, just to give it a little bit of something. Then we apply some more. We're giving it a little shade. And then this thing that looked like a lipstick or whatever. Okay. Oh, I messed it up. Anyway, fixed it. And now we are done, and we look good. I'm dressing up to go see my boyfriend, by the way. So I have to look extra good, because that's what he deserves. The best of me. Okay. Now I apply a little bit of blush. Okay. Looking pretty for daddy. Now we spray this spray thing. Oof, sorry, baby. And now we're all good to go. Or not. Okay, we're not good to go. We still have some things left to do. And more blush. Ooh, okay. I know what this is. This is the highlighter. Now we're applying a little bit of highlighter. Okay. I see you. On the nose. Close to the eyes. And yeah. Under the brows. Good there. Okay. And now a little something on the mouth. And we should be done anytime soon. God. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot I was recording. Ooh. And now we apply some vaseline to the lips, because you don't want to do too much, because yeah. Okay. And now we're here looking like an Amaria, because I'm going to go see my husband. And we're done for today. Nice to meet you.